This is my bike, bike check. This is a bike, and that's the bike. Check. Check it out. It's red with stickers on it, and I got this from a store that I paid for it. My mom paid for it. And I got it. I bought these separate and these separate, and that separate, and that's separate, and this right here, that came separate, and these I got off my bike, my old bike. That I had an old bike and I got the tires off and put on this new bike, so they're old bike tires on my new bike, and that's where they came from. I got pedals right here. They keep it so that's where you put your feet at. But no training wheels. My mommy took those off yesterday. Thank you.